Hello viewers, welcome to a presentation by Amit Kumar Prasad which is on the topic Atmanirbhar Bharat. Why the name Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan? The vision is based on a wide and deep consultation with several sections of the society such as poor, rich, middle class, etc. Discussions were held at various levels with various ministers, up to PMO, which is also known as Prime Minister Office. Essentially, this is to spur growth and build a self-reliant India. The whole initiative is therefore called Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. What is Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan? Atmanirbhar Bharat, which translates to Self-Reliant India or Self-Sufficient India, is the vision of Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi of making India a bigger and more important part of global economy, pursuing policies that are efficient, competitive, and resilient, and being self-sustaining and self-generating. How to make Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan? Be vocal for the local. According to PM Modi, one of key ways to build an Atmanirbhar Bharat is to buy and promote local products and brands. And be vocal for the local. He highlighted that global brands that exist today were also local ones, but when people began supporting them, they became global. What does Atmanirbhar Bharat mean for India? Sri Narendra Modi said, for India to become truly self-reliant, efforts must be made to not replicate the global work patterns that don't sit well with the traditional way of life, and focus should be on ensuring that from raw material to the final production, the country relies only on its own resources. PM Narendra Modi stated that India today stands at a point where it has to decide to become self-reliant while also supporting the world and other countries in overcoming the challenges that they face. The name of five main pillars of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan is economy, infrastructure, system, demography, and demand. We will explain all these points on the next slide. Some lines about those five main pillars. A. Economy, which brings in quantum jump and not incremental or gradual change. B. Infrastructure, which should become the identity of India. C. System based on 21st century technology driven arrangements. D. Demography, which is our source of energy for a self-reliant India. E. Demand, whereby the strength of our demand and supply. Conclusion. The Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan is an important mission for the economic revival and progress of the Indian economy under lockdown. The Atmanirbhar Bharat has been praised for reintroducing the idea of Swaraj as a redemptive tool for the post-pandemic Indian economy. Thank you and have a wonderful day. By Amit Kumar Prasad from JNV Manpur.